Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Naraka, BladePoint not launching, crashing, stucking, not working on PC. Before we start, try restarting your PC and relaunching Naraka, BladePoint again. After that, if the problem still occurs, then go to the first method. Method 1. Stay up to date. Make sure you keep your game, graphics drivers, and system up to date. The updates always offer bug fixes and system performance optimizations. So, just ensure that the latest version is installed on your PC. To update Windows, go to Settings. Select System. Select Windows Update. Select Check for updates. If there is an update available, update it. To update graphics drivers, you need visit NVIDIA's driver download page or AMD, depending on the graphics card you are using. Here, I'm using NVIDIA. After that, fill out the drop-downs to match your graphics card. Note that you'll want to specify if you're using a desktop or notebook GPU in the Product Series section. Under Download Type, gamers will want to use the game-ready driver, while artists, photographers and other creatives may want to opt for studio drivers. Click Search. The website will bring up the latest available driver. Click Download. The driver will go to your Downloads folder. Open the launcher in your Downloads folder. Click OK to pick the extraction path. Wait while the driver is extracted. Pick if you want the driver or both the driver and GeForce Experience. Click Agree and continue. Choose the installation type you want. I recommend you choose Custom. This lets you choose which components you want. Click Next. Select Perform a clean installation. Click Next. Once done, restarting your PC and relaunching Naraka, BladePoint and see if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Verify integrity of game files. On Steam, go to Library. Go to Naraka, BladePoint, then right-click on it. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Select Verify integrity of game files. On Epic Game Launcher, go to Library. Go to Naraka BladePoint, then click on 3-dot or right-click on Naraka BladePoint, then select Manage. Click on Verify. Once done, relaunching Naraka, BladePoint and see if the problem is fixed. Method 3. Disable and uninstall third-party antivirus software. Antivirus and firewall software play an important role in computer security. However, these applications may prevent the game from running, installing, or patching correctly. Disable or temporarily uninstalling your security software can help resolve these issues. Depending on the antivirus software you are using, there will be different ways to turn it off. But the vast majority of them have the same implementation. Just right-click the antivirus software icon in the system tray. This is located in the lower right corner of the desktop. Click Temporarily Disable Protection. Choose how long you want the protection to be disabled. In case you cannot find this feature or the problem persists, please temporarily remove the antivirus software. Method 4. Disable Overlay Apps, Overclocking, XMP. Overlay apps can enhance the game experience but can also cause conflicts with the game, so temporarily disable them and see what the results are. Popular overlay software include NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Radeon software, Discord, MSI Afterburner, and more. The next group is computer acceleration software, overclocking, such as Razer Cortex's Booster, MSI Afterburner, and software with similar features. Just disable them, then try launching Naraka, BladePoint, and see if this helps. Finally, you should try disable XMP before playing Naraka BladePoint. To do that, you need to enter the BIOS. Restart your PC. After that, press Delete or F2 key to enter BIOS, depending on the motherboard you are using, but almost all use the Delete key. Next, find the XMP feature and disable it. Method 5. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable latest supported. To do that, you need visit Microsoft Visual C++ download page. After that, navigate to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Download them one by one. Wait until all files are downloaded on your PC. Install all packages you have downloaded by following the instructions. Once done, restarting the PC and launching Naraka BladePoint, and see problem is fixed. Method 6. Install DirectX End-User Runtime. To do that, you need visit Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime download page. After that, click on Download button. Once the file is downloaded from the website, run the program and wait until the updated files are installed successfully. Reboot your computer and launching Naraka BladePoint, and you will not face the issue now. Method 7. Perform a clean boot. Go to Windows search bar, then type msconfig, and then select System Configuration from the list of results. On the Services tab of System Configuration, select Hide All Microsoft Services, and then select Disable All. Select Apply. On the Startup tab of System Configuration, select Open Task Manager. On the Startup tab in Task Manager, for each enabled startup item, select the item and then select Disable. Keep track of which items have been disabled. You will need to know this later. Close Task Manager. On the Startup tab of System Configuration, select OK. When you restart the computer, it will be in a clean boot environment. If Naraka BladePoint still doesn't run as expected, this issue is not caused by application or service interference. You may need to consider uninstalling and reinstalling the graphics driver. To do that, I recommend you to use Display Driver Uninstaller software. Just visit the home page of the DDU software, then download. Next, launching Display Driver Uninstaller, then follow the instructions. After uninstall graphics driver is done, go to NVIDIA, AMD homepage and download your graphics driver. Next, uninstall and reinstall the game is the next method you can try now. And finally, if you risk everything to be played Naraka BladePoint, you should reinstall the Windows operating system. If not, skip it and find another game that's more fun to play. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, Please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.